Login loop error on Tandem Bank Fix. If your Tandem Bank app keeps looping back to the login screen every time you try to sign in, you're probably wondering what's going on. Most users think they've entered the wrong details, but the real issue is usually a corrupted session token or outdated app permissions. Here's how to stop the login loop and get back into your account. Start by force closing the Tandem app completely. Then, open your phone's settings, locate the Tandem app, and clear its cache and storage. This removes any expired or conflicting login data that's confusing the system. Next, open the App Store and check for updates. Tandem frequently releases small patches to fix login and security issues, and many users stay stuck in loops simply because they're running an older version. Update it if possible. Now, when you relaunch the app, enter your email and password manually. Don't use autofill. If the app asks for biometric login like Face It or fingerprint, skip it for now and set it up again later. If you're still looping, double check your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, since network filters can block authentication requests. Also, disable any VIN or ad blocker temporarily. One hidden culprit many people overlook is the phone's time settings. Tandem's security system requires exact synchronization with their servers. So go to settings and set your date and time to automatic. Once everything is reset and synced, reopen Tandem and log in again. You should find that the app finally loads your dashboard properly. So, if your Tandem Bank login keeps spinning you in circles, don't stress, it's not your account that's at risk. It's just a session or sync glitch that can be cleared in minutes. Keep your app updated, and this issue won't bother you again.